The 2010 New American Home is one of the most heavily visited and widely covered show homes in the world. As the main feature of the National Association of Home Builders' annual International Builders Show, the house is seen by thousands of people, as well as millions of others who learn about it through feature articles in newspapers and magazines. The 2010 home is being built to the new National Green Building Standard and will be a near net zero energy home. A zero-energy home means that the amount of energy provided by on-site renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, geothermal heat, and wind power, is equal to the amount of energy used by the building. This is a huge step forward in controlling carbon emissions, a major source of greenhouse gases. In another first, the New American Home is using cellulose insulation as the main insulating material in the attic, walls, and crawl spaces. Using cellulose insulation can save homeowners thousands of dollars in energy savings and significantly reduces the carbon footprint of a building. Cellulose insulation saves energy in homes and businesses by reducing conduction, convection, radiation, and air infiltration, key methods of heat transfer in a structure. But it also saves energy in a less apparent way, by diverting paper and waste disposal and transforming it with as little energy input as possible into this vital energy-saving material. The production of cellulose insulation uses much less energy than either fiberglass or foam insulating products. This is often called embodied energy. Canadian Building Magazine estimates that fiberglass uses at least 10 times more embodied energy than cellulose, and that foam insulation uses 64 times as much energy as recycled paper and is made from petroleum, which is a non-renewable resource. Installing cellulose insulation in the 2010 New American Home is a straightforward process. Bags of cellulose are fed into a blowing machine. The installer directs the hose to fill the wall cavity, providing a seal that does not leave gaps, spaces, or leaks. Bats of fiberglass insulation cannot match cellulose performance for complete filling of these cavities. Using a special scrubber, the excess insulation is removed from the surface to provide a perfect fit for the application of interior wallboard. What is removed is vacuumed up and reused, leaving virtually no wasted material. Cellulose insulation can also be installed by tacking sheeting over the studs to hold the cellulose in place as it is blown in. Again, cellulose insulation completely fills between the studs, providing excellent soundproofing as well as thermal performance and fire resistance. The New American Home 2010 is built to the new National Green Building Standard and selected cellulose insulation provided by members of the Cellulose Insulation Manufacturers Association to be part of that new standard because it offers outstanding performance, actively removes waste from our landfills, and has an energy-efficient manufacturing process. As CIMA's slogan, "The greenest of the green," implies, we believe that there could be no other choice for insulation in this progressive home.